Cider vinegar, garlic and honey, natural remedy for many problems. The unique combo is a medical cure of natural origins and benefits, fights many problems since the honey is antimicrobial and offers a load of enzymes, minerals and vitamins. The garlic has allicin that is antioxidant and prevents from cancer and premature aging. The ACV fights diabetes and bad digestion. All three when mixed, have a great effect on us and prevent cancers. Patients who tried this cure said it helped them to fight the bad symptoms and even cure themselves. Also, hypertension patients noticed less and cholesterol and less hypertension. This natural cure must be taken before a meal in the morning and with no other drinks. Ingredients: 10 cloves garlic, 1 cup organic honey, 1 cup ACV. Preparing: put everything in blender to mix for a minute or more and then store in jar in the fridge. Eat this for 5 days and make a new batch since it doesn't last long. Have 2 spoons on empty stomach, and if you dislike the aroma and taste, mix it with some juice. This is easy to prepare and cheap too, and all ingredients are easy to find or we already have them. It is popularized and more people reported great results.